Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mauyongrim near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
The next-gen Tata Tiago. Dual-tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, bakiway. Tek kum ki kaliram, hagador ke bejam, tak sao point riulak. Just wow.
Hakajing bateng ya kajing yelap election. Nakabanta ke election MP sidang samai. Ukertong ke NPP u Dr. DRL Nonglan. Ulayo ban pelong ya kajing yelang hadaram shala nong soopho. Kaba ba West Shillong constituency. Bat banyak kenduru yakin nongket kam jong keseng NPP ki badan hakani ke konstituensi. Haba keren hakani ke jingelang u Dr. Nonglan ula batai kinongrem. Kiba uyang banyak hun yakani ke election ke pemerintah. Bat kumcuru kinongrem jong ke parti NPP. Haka jingkeren jong ula ongru. Pelada upoi syakatong kum UMP ubu thong ban pelong ya ke Shillong kum ke Nongbah ke Phyrnai tam na preng ki Nongbah jong ke than stay lam mingi.
We also need to promote tourism in the state. Promotion of tourism in the state, which is an important area where the state needs greater support and cooperation from the center, is one among the issues which I will take up with the center if I am elected as your MP. One more important issue which is always in my mind is urban development in the state. We need substantial central funding to address the problem of traffic congestion in Shillong. We need to develop New Shillong as a modern and well-planned city. Friends, I do not want to see New Shillong become another old Shillong in future years. There are many other important issues that I will take up, but I need not elaborate on all of them at this point of time. I assure you that if I am elected, I will work to make Shillong a shining city of the Northeast. If I am elected, I assure you that I will make Shillong a shining city of Northeast India. Friends, over the next 10 to 15 years, I envision a Shillong and Meghalaya that can stand on their own feet, financially, economically, and scientifically. I now, therefore, request your kind support and cooperation to make this election a historic victory by a big margin.
Kata bagi smart card senangnya sangka.
Nhà em khá mất cả tại vì MSIS. Mà.
Gak jingir apa saya laliang sortar, hantam ya ikut ya sutom.
Ini kena hafsa dari sama. Ada MHIS card
Untuk mulai karakter kata.
Jadi ni kon pi hab ada medika hostel, dah hab lek pi ka registration. Kalau dah pi dengan smart card, dah sampah cok.
Oh dokter dan bayang.
Yang ni kon pi hab lek operation ni yo.แต่ความकामต่อครับปัญญานี่พี่อยากไปสร้างตะกันหาบลาย operation นี่แต่ว่า MHIS card พี่และนี่ก็ smart card แต่ก็ทำไปเอาเรื่องอะไรพี่
Ri na pagi mon le yo paisa sumar ni kon. Abda dan eksir yo sumar. Kebelai si bona Kalau ia lah atau persangka fu ni ya.
Ini kan memang dia harus makan.
Kan teh. Aku dah cibot. Mau.